What's up, my people? Blessing love to all. Welcome back to another video. Nick here from Yardman Garden and Arts TV. Let's check this out. That's beautiful germination right there, guys. Success. Just a few. I can see something eat that one off, as well as right here. So it's a good thing that I take this dome. I have on it cover, so it was sitting on it for a while. Kind of shielding it while they germinate. This is 2 weeks in exact, since I start this seed. So watermelon, I think this watermelon take 50 days, guys. So from start to harvest, all these different cucumber is what they are. The longest one is 53 days, all short growing as well, even 40 days. So in no time I'm gonna be reaping cucumber, guys. These are some mint, spearmint to be exact, and a special type of oregano. I think Greek oregano. I'm gonna put them in container. Got some specimen of fern. I wanna start in the yard as well. These are perennial, so they will come back. Yeah, guys, just beautiful. This was our first experiment. Container garden, for the season. These syrup peas, sugar syrup, they were early inside, so I had to get them in some things. So I started them out, transplant them in this grow thing. I have a couple one here coming up. A nice fat one. Earlier I got to taste one. So it would be almost be my first harvest to say, but not necessary. I have its and bits here and there, but blessings to the plant, blessings to life. These are some of my other container that I have ready to roll out to start some more plants. In cucumber as well, it's definitely gonna be going in some container. But this was our first experiment, as we needed to get these in the soil. We start them in more in winter. Got some radish here coming up. Probably not gonna do so well, but stay tuned. I'll give you an update on that and all the fill-in. But these guys, I'm looking forward. Subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys for all the love and support. One love.